Hey YouTube family, thank you so much for joining me. I'm really excited for our new journey. Welcome to All Things Forex. It's gonna be a cracker. The our channel's based on four pillars, which I think are gonna be amazing moving forward. Pillar one is gonna be our advice from top traders. Pillar two is gonna cover backtesting. Pillar three is gonna cover my personal forex journey, and pillar four is gonna cover the resources. But more about that next. Hi guys. Pillar number one is probably my favorite. It's where I scour the internet and find the best traders in the world. Once we found these traders, we go through all their content to find the best possible advice that they've shared to all traders out there. So if you're an upcoming trader, I think pillar number one is gonna help a stack. It avoids you having to go through a whole podcast and you only get two golden nuggets. So here I'm gonna do all the hard work and you guys reap it. As I said, if I win, you win. When you win, I win. Family. Cheers, cheers. Pillar number two, family. Yeah, let's get in there. So pillar number two is gonna be our backtesting pillar. We're gonna find again all the best strategies that we can find. We're gonna concentrate on strategies that are more mechanized, that are more mechanical, and less that use your discretion. So we're gonna try and find the best strategies, backtest them. So our sample size will have to be at a minimum 100 trades. Because guys, I don't want to be that guy who comes here and promises, oh, this is a 98% win rate, but I've only traded like four trades. So no, that's not going to be us. It's going to be a minimum sample of 100 trades, and I commit that if the trade is if the data is really promising, I'll commit to finding a challenge and using the same challenge and going live with it. So let me say that again. If the strategy is viable and it's really profitable, I commit with the same data, with the same strategy, to fund a funded challenge and live trade it. So, ooh, it's gonna be a interesting one. So keep your eyes on that one. I think that's gonna be a lot of fun. So you guys can trade with me, and ultimately you'll see whether the strategy is viable or not. And that's all on me. All right. Thanks, fam. Pillar three. Let me stand and chat to you guys. Pillar three is gonna cover myself and my journey from being a trader who has been losing to a profitable trader. Now, my journey is not your conventional one, and it covers myself being scammed by family. I'll say that again, being scammed from family. But we keep moving, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. I'll cover all my goals, all my wins, all my losses, and I'm looking to cover a weekly feedback to you guys. So I'm really looking forward to that. So stick around, guys. Again, uh, it's gonna be a good one. Cheers, cheers. Hey guys, so good to have you guys again. Pillar number four, pillar number four. I'm so pumped, putting it all on the line there, doing it all for you guys. Pillar number four is gonna be resources. So in my journey, there are resources that I've picked up and I've learned, which I'd like to share with you guys. Again, it's an opportunity for you guys to any new traders to learn, and for those that are more mature and who have been on the journey a bit longer than us, we really appreciate your input and your advice. Really, we're trying to create a family here, so please, input is really appreciated. The ideas that we have around pillar number four are similar to our favorite podcasts, favorite books, top resources possibly top indicators. So you let us know, and we're here to assist. There's no discrimination. It's all out there for you guys to see. All right. Hope you join us. And again, smash the like button, subscribe, do the things. All right. Cheers, cheers.